What decides if a broken law is a tort or a crime? The answer dictates whether your neighbor sues you or the government locks you in a cell. Take a driver who accidentally swerves and crashes into your front yard fence. Because this mistake only damaged your personal property, the legal system treats it as an isolated, private dispute. When an offense only involves one specific wrongdoer and one specific victim, the law calls it a tort. And since the harm is strictly private, the legal system's goal isn't to punish the driver. The goal is simply restoring the victim, forcing the driver to pay financial compensation. But let's change the context. What if that same driver was heavily intoxicated, speeding through a crowded crosswalk before hitting the fence? This completely elevates the act from a private dispute to a grave threat against public safety. When an act endangers society at large, it becomes a public wrong. The state itself steps in as the victim, taking over to impose a harsh punishment. So think back to that smashed wooden fence. A tort just requires a check to replace the wood, while a crime triggers a jail cell.